Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. The mobile app development industry is progressing at a thundering speed. If you want to keep up with it, then be ready to introduce yourself to newer concepts. The mobile app industry has transformed into a vast business model, and it's doing amazingly well in the market. From 5G to augmented reality, you now get everything through mobile and its apps. So let's not waste any time and get right into the latest technology trends that are evolving the mobile app development industry. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoy this video or find it interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. So let's jump into it. Now the first trend is mobile commerce. Mobile commerce is one of the most dominating factors when I talk about the mobile app industry. The way mobile commerce apps have contributed to the business is astonishing. Many companies preferred to do their business online, but when big names like Amazon introduced their mobile commerce app, everyone followed in its footsteps. Resellers are happy since these mobile apps are generating ample profits. Their sales pitch has a better response rate since most people prefer to use mobile app than go into the browser and opening it. So 2021 will be a game changer for mobile commerce apps. Next on our list is 5G. 5G technology is finally here, and we can't get enough of it. Resellers, developers, and creators are experimenting with this technology, and they're optimistic about the outcomes. 2021 will connect more people with 5G than before. With this latest 5th generation of the internet, we'd see network efficiency beyond our expectations. And it's not just about the speed. 5G will change the framework of mobile apps as well. We'd see more 5G and IoT generated smart apps connected with our daily routines. Apps would also be developed keeping the ultra blazing 5G network speed in mind. So let's see what 5G brings this year. What do you think? Number 3, IoT app integration and wearable devices. The Internet of Things is a concept many of you might be familiar with now. It's simple. Connect your stuff with the internet and operate them through a device. Developers are developing mobile with IoT integration. Alexa is a prominent example of this. We can control her through our phones. And many other home and office appliances can now be operated through our mobile apps. 2021 will see more automobile, home products, healthcare, and other departments developing mobile apps that can help us operate better through the IoT. When it comes to wearable devices, the idea is somewhat not new. We've been buying wearable iOS and Android watches for quite a few years now. But with every new release, we see how much better and more awesome they turn out to be. It's no surprise that Statistica claims that about 929 million people will be using a smartwatch by 2021. Apple has already announced that they're going to launch a separate iOS app store for their Apple Watch. They're pushing more technology to this gadget, which means that they're soon to become an independent device. And of course, many other tech companies are going to focus more on their wearable devices. So the technology is pretty much blooming in 2021. Beacon technology. Many industries are implementing beacon technology nowadays. We've seen healthcare, hospitality, and other significant departments utilizing this technology. Beacons can help in adding advanced features and functions to any mobile application. We have seen mobile app beacons since 2013, but their significance has increased the past few years. So in case you're unaware of beacons, I'm just going to give a quick example. Let's say a pizza shop has installed a beacon in their store. Whenever you pass by that store, your phone's Bluetooth will connect with it and it will display the latest pizza deals. That's how beacon helps. It helps in proximity marketing and can detect a user's shopping behavior inside the store. These mobile app beacons are greatly benefiting the resellers and consumers. Foldable devices. The last time I saw a foldable device was in Adele's song Hello. I thought that era has gone and passed, but brands like Samsung, Huawei, and Motorola have proved me wrong. I mean, making a touchscreen device foldable is a significant achievement thanks to its multi-window support option. We can use different parts of the screen according to our needs. We can change the screen size or expand the app. Mobile app development companies are now pushing more efforts in creating apps that would enhance the Fold experience. So let's see what new foldable mobile app we see in 2021. Augmented Reality. AR technology found a huge fan following when the Pokemon Go game was launched. That AR game showed how far this concept can go. But hey, augmented reality has an even more expandable scope, and 2021 will be the year of exploring deeper into it. We've seen how L'Oreal introduced its virtual makeup app with AR integration so that the consumers can see how their makeup would look on them. Aside from this, Google also launched its Live View, which would allow a user to take a picture of any nearby building, and Google will tell you where you are currently. Augmented reality is ever growing. Our Instagram and Snapchat with their live filters are significant examples. So let's see what new AR technology we'll see in 2021. OnDemand Apps will be amongst the trendiest in 2021. We've already seen how these apps had a tremendous usage in 2020 during the lockdown. On-demand apps like Uber Eats, Airbnb, Pizza Hut, etc., have taken over the world by storm. People who are introverts, for example, would always prefer ordering online through mobile apps rather than actually talking to someone on a call. But these on-demand applications aren't just limited to food delivery. You can also use taxi services like Uber or hire virtual fitness instructors for home workouts. Other services include pet care, house maintenance, physician on demand, private coaching, calling a barber, house cleaning, and so many more. Mobile wallets. The concept of mobile wallets is emerging tremendously, and we're seeing big names rooting for it. These days we have e-wallets like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay that are doing well in their job. The mobile wallet market will see more expansion this year and in the years to come. It should become a standard feature for every mobile app since it's safe and secure. Currently, most apps are using other third-party pay apps that are vulnerable to security risks. So let's see what 2021 will bring for mobile wallets. Blockchain. The way blockchain is taking over major industrial sectors is plausible. If we talk about the mobile app industry, then developers are already on their way to create apps supporting blockchain technology. It'll be exciting to see decentralized mobile applications. These apps would let us securely perform cryptocurrency transactions and smart contracts. Developers are integrating blockchain in mobile apps for asset tokenization and to trade and exchange cryptocurrencies. So we can't wait to see what blockchain apps come out in 2021. Chatbots. Now you might be wondering what chatbots are doing here when they've already been being used for more than a decade. Well, as every technology is evolving, these chatbots have as well. Now the future could bring you voice-assisted chatbots. These chatbots would talk to you like a human, and you could tell them what you want. Although this technology is in its initial phase, voice-assisted chatbots are becoming a big thing. A prominent example of this is the Starbucks app, where you have to talk to the chat assistant and tell it what type of coffee that you would like. Many enterprises incorporate more effective chatbots for better customer service, quick responses, and precise answers. Cloud storage. Although cloud storage has already been a big trend, many enterprises still don't use it in their offices. Almost 50% of the UK is not using cloud-based services on an enterprise level. So that means that the concept is still growing and the mobile app industry is leaning more towards cloud storage. You'll notice that many apps that you use are backed with a cloud infrastructure. Cloud computing will save data, money, and time. And this is what mobile app developers want in 2021. And last but not least, we would be crazy to leave out artificial intelligence and how deep-rooted it is in our mobile app industry. Still, artificial intelligence is in its baby steps as we have yet to see its full potential. We have already seen how epic AI-generated Siri and Alexa are, and that's just the start. Mobile app developers are integrating more AI-based technology like speech recognition, face, eye, image detection, text-to-image classification, and so much more. Artificial intelligence is here to make our mobile apps smarter and improve their performance. 2021 will bring more significant AI uses into our mobile apps, and we can't wait. So there we have it, 12 technology trends that are evolving the mobile app development industry, from mobile commerce, 5G, IoT app integration in wearable devices, beacon technology, foldable devices, augmented reality, on-demand applications, mobile wallets, blockchain, chatbots, cloud storage, and artificial intelligence. Mobile developers need to understand that going with these latest trends will help them develop the best app. Be open-minded and you'll do wonders. As always, if you still have any questions, or if you can think of any other trends, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.